Hey, if you are wondering how we can connect Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 into the Strava application, there's two ways how we can do this. The first one, you have to go into your phone and you have to open the Samsung Health application. Now go into the right upper corner and go to the settings. Over here, when we start scrolling, we can find services. So over here, we have to click on this switcher. Now we will be redirected into the Strava website where we have to use our login method. So Google, Apple, Facebook, just normal account, or we can create account right now. I'm gonna use Google one because there's my account linked with this application. Click to authorize, and now as you can see, you are successfully connected and all activities should be actually automatically moved into your Strava application. But also you can get Strava straight on your watch, on your wrist, by opening Google Play Store. Now on the search bar at the top you have to input Strava and you can simply install it and using this on the device, so we can find the short description, some shortcuts, how it looks, so you can track your activities. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching.